Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your life immensely easier inside of Palworld. So if you're like me, and you get kind of tired of having to press to hold all the time in order to accomplish certain tasks that are going to take you like 5-10 minutes at a time, you could actually change it so that you only have to press one button and then you can walk away from your computer and your character will automate whatever task it is you're trying to complete for you, so you don't actually have to sit here pressing a key button. The simple answer is all you have to do is go into options, go to game settings, and then go to keyboard, and then here at the bottom you can single press for hold interactions. So you just have to tap it once and it'll hold the action for you. And you can also make it even easier when you're building by changing the build mode switching from hold the button to toggle. Both of these are pretty recommended by a lot of people, so I would suggest make your life a million times easier and turn them both on. Go ahead and save those settings when you exit, and now you can just tap it like I just did. I've got both my hands up even though you can't see them. And now my character will sit here and hold it for me while I do things like eat my dinner or go out and use the restroom. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has just been a quick tip to make your Palworld experience even easier by changing your controls that you don't ever have to press and hold again. So bye everybody, and have a good one.